Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this through wood burning using ammonium chloride and Thicken Up. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Images, and then type in Kitchen. And I like this one, so I'm going to click that and add to Canvas. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll notice that this is something that I like to do. I use a template so that I know exactly what size I would make my project. Like for this instance, the display cutting board surface size is 5 by 3.5 inches. I would recommend to make it about ½ inch smaller. So I'm going to change my template size to 4.5 by 3 inches. So click Shapes and then choose Square. Then click the lock icon and then change the size to 4.5 by 3 inches. And I'm just going to change the color and send to back and then adjust the size. And I'm going to add another image. So I'm going to click Images and I'm going to find the image that I want and then add to Canvas. And then I'm just going to adjust the size again. And then select all and then align and then center horizontally. Now we can delete the template and then click Weld. Although you can also use the Attach button. And then click Make It, then Continue. I didn't have stencil vinyl anymore, that's why I used a removable vinyl. We can use that in place of the stencil vinyl. So this is the removable vinyl that I'm going to be using. For the stencil, we need to weed out the letters or characters, and that's where we put the paint in. And I'm going to use this contact paper to transfer the vinyl to the wood. I got this from Home Depot, but you can also get this from Amazon. I put the link in my description box. I can still reuse this. Once it's dry, we can now remove the vinyl. I love my weeding scrap collector because it just makes my weeding so much easier. Now we need a heat-resistant mat to protect the table from the heat gun as it can be really hot. For this part of the video, I didn't change the speed so we can see how the chemical reacts to the heat in real time using this heat gun. I bought this heat gun from Amazon. I put the link in my description box. Also, just a quick review. I think I'm going to give this about 3 stars because I noticed when it becomes really hot and when you turn it off, it won't turn on again right away. I have to wait until it's cool to touch and it will work fine again. Otherwise, it's a good handheld mini heat gun for its price. And then here we can see the texts are becoming visible. So it took me about 9 minutes. And now this step is not necessary. I'm just cleaning the outline of the text, and it might leave some marks from the tool. Now I'm just going to add some twine for the decoration. There you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Cez. Thanks for watching!